Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we're looking at the awesome Divi Supreme Modules plugin today. It's a fantastic addition to the Divi theme. And we're looking at the toggle switch. And what you get with this, we've got a little contact form here. And when you switch the switch at the top, it's going to show you a live Google map. And this is so easy to do, and that's a nice little feature to have on your website. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is enable the Visual Builder. Once enabled, I'm just going to go ahead and delete our little section right here. And let's add a new section. Put in any section you want, depending on what content you want to toggle between. I'm going to go ahead and put a single column in our row here. I'm going to roll down. Here's all the modules that come as standard with the Divi theme, and there's plenty of them to build just about any site. All these blue ones here, the ones you get with the Supreme modules, as well as some extensions, and it really is an awesome addition to the Divi theme. And here's some more standard Divi ones at the bottom. Also with Divi, if you've got WooCommerce installed, you get another dozen plugins to help arrange your products. So we want the content toggle today. There it is right there. Okay, I'm just going to save that there, and I've got a lot of stuff in my library. I'm going to be using the library today. For anybody who doesn't know how, I'll quickly just create a new section here. Put in a blurb module. Now, any module you create with the Divi, you can save to your library by using this little round toggle right here. Just click on that. It's just left of the trash can there. Give it a name. Blurb, something that makes sense to you. And you can save it to your library simply by doing this. And you can do it with rows. You can have a whole layout if you want to. So that's just a demonstration of how to save it to your library. I'm going to go ahead and use some I've already got there, so I can delete this row. That was just a little demonstration for you there. Let's go back into this module, and we'll put our first heading in. Say contact. Now here's a great bit. You can either put in whatever kind of contact text or content you want right here down below, or you can go to your library, which I was just showing you how to use there, or you can use a short code if you've got that enabled in Divi Supreme. So I'm going to go to my library, and I've got a lot of things there, and you can select the layout here. Just hit the contact form. There's a simple contact form that I'd saved to my library previously. Content 2, which is on this side here. Let's have a directions. And again, I'm going to use my library. But like I say, you can put anything in you want down below if you prefer. Select the layout that you want. There's a Google map right there. Okay, I'm not going to put a background in or an admin label. I'm going to go to my design. Here's our switcher right here. You can choose to change the background size, the actual size of the switcher itself if you want to. Align it center, left or right. I'm going to keep mine in the center. Primary background color is this right here. So I'm going to make first one blue, and the secondary background, when the switch is over here, I'm going to make that purple. Switch inner background is the sort of little round bit right there. I'm going to leave that white, but you can, like anything else, you can choose whatever color you want. You can adjust your headings right here. I think I'll just make mine semi-bold and slightly bigger. Heading 2. Now here's the content for us today. Content 1, which is our little form right here. Just going to give it a bit of padding around. This is entirely up to you, all this styling, very easy to do. You've got all the regular styling features that you have with the Divi theme. Just put in the number, it'll put the pics in there for you. Hit the chain, it'll do the opposite side. Spacing at the top is the spacing between the actual switch and the content there. I'm going to leave mine just like that. You can change your content font here. I'm going to leave mine just as the default right there. It's very easy. Don't want to get too deep into styling. I'm going to put a little bit of box shadow around it just to make it stand out. And content 2, going to do similar. Not going to have a background. I will give it a bit of padding around, just purely so I can have a bit of box shadow around it. Content space at the top's fine. Okay, not going to put a border around it. I'll put that same box shadow as we had on the first one there. And we're pretty much good to go there. So let's save our changes. Little purple button at the bottom. Save draft or publish if you're ready. And let's exit the Visual Builder. There we go, there's our little contact form. When we flip the switch, it's going to turn into this live Google map. And that's a nice little feature to have on your site right there. Very easy to do. Like I say, you can put whatever in there. You can have whole row layouts with several different modules. Just save them to your library and pop them up there. And that's a nice little space saver if nothing else. So there you go, guys. That's been the Divi Supreme modules. You'll find the link below this video. And the little content switcher toggle. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.